Ciao everyone! Welcome back to LanguageSitter! As always, I started my day with a lesson in Slovene and a hot cup of coffee. We chatted a little bit about AmCham's 4th of July picnic. Yesterday, AmCham hosted a great picnic for us students, members of the ASEF program, and the lively young professional community. There were so many people to meet and network with.
Bilo je super.
I have lots of new Facebook friends too. My main task for the rest of today was to prepare a blog about my experiences here at LanguageSitter. We were joined at lunch today by one of Slovenia's most famous stand-up comedians, who happens to be Špela's roommate. Speaking of special guests, I'll be having another student join me at LanguageSitter tomorrow, so I spent the afternoon preparing some activities for us. That's it for today. Join me and my mystery guest for my last day tomorrow. No svidenje!